Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and in today's video I'm taking you along on another video about my current weight loss journey, my current health journey, and I figured we could do a little what I eat in a day. I know I have been asked this a lot and I just thought that it would be really good if we kind of just walked through what my day looks like and what I eat in a day. So hope you guys are here for it. I know this is different content, but I feel like there's so many of us on this journey together. And if I can help in any way, then I would love to do that. So if you're here for it, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm doing this a little bit backwards. I was gonna film this on a weekend, but our weekends have just been bananas. Last weekend was the Halloween party. This upcoming weekend is football playoffs, and I just don't know what the day is going to look like. And I mentioned in my most recent weight loss update video that Monday through Friday, I try really hard, at least Monday through Thursday, to be really mindful of what I'm eating and what I'm putting in my body, and just being very good about sticking to my calories and moving my body. And so I figured a weekday would probably be the best day for me to do this. And it's just better for my schedule. So with that being said, I'm kind of doing this a little bit backwards. It is now dinner time and I'm about to cook dinner, and I'm gonna walk you through what I ate earlier in the day and kind of walk you through that, because I did film it. I just didn't talk while I was filming it because it was morning routine. Everything was a little bananas. Then when I was eating my lunch, I was at work. So I didn't, I filmed a little bit, but I didn't talk, and here we are. So hopefully you guys are good with that. I think you are. So I want to talk really quickly about how I start my day. It looks different during the week than it does on the weekends. During the week, I have been trying really hard to start my day without my higher calorie coffee. So on the weekends, I'll make an espresso coffee, and I will use my regular Coffee Mate hazelnut creamer that I've loved since I started drinking coffee. And it's not terrible, but it's not the best thing for you. But during the week, I have been trying something different. I wanna go ahead and thank Motivate for partnering with me in today's video. I have been absolutely loving their products. About a month ago, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try a couple of their best sellers, and it was the perfect timing because I have been on the market for a pre-workout. My son Aiden, he is a sophomore. He plays football, he works out every single day, he lifts weights, he's very conscious of his health, and he was telling me the importance of a pre-workout and that I would really benefit from it. And so the timing was just perfect, and I was really excited to be able to try this product. And I have actually been using it every morning during the school week in place of my coffee, and it's been perfect. And it is the Motivate Sugar-Free Burn. This is the one right here. Looks like this. It's a powder that you mix into water. You can do it, just dry. I've seen a lot of people do it just dry, but I mix it into water. I use my little blender to blend it up and drink it. It burns fat, it's good for energy and focus. I use it Monday through Friday in the morning instead of my morning coffee. Some Fridays I'll go and get myself a Starbucks for a little treat, but most of the time I've just been using the Burn. The great thing about this is it's gonna give you all day energy. There's no jitters, no crash. That's what I like about it. You don't just have to use it on gym days. You can use it any day that you need the energy. I have a very physical job where I'm constantly running around. I'm a school counselor. I am on the go all day long. And so I need something that's going to give me a lot of energy, but not make me feel yucky. And this has been perfect. My son was like, you're gonna love it, and he's not wrong. I am absolutely loving it. This is in the orange burst flavor, which I really like. I take a magnesium supplement at night, and it's also orange, and I just really like that. I don't know, it just feels really fresh. I get cold water straight from the fridge and mix that up in the morning, and I drink it while I am getting ready in the morning. It's perfect. It does come in other flavors. I think they have a cherry, cherry lemonade, watermelon, and cotton candy. And I think the cotton candy is the one I'm gonna get next. If you're curious about it, you can check it out on their website, and you can even order samples. So if you're not sure what kind that you want. Really been helping me, like I said, with my energy. Please disregard my kitty cats. They're playing in a box. I got a full length mirror that I'm gonna share with you guys in a future video that I ordered on the Walmart website, and they're playing in the box right now, so please forgive them. But they also sent over their Motivate Performance Greens, Superfruits, and Veggies. Looks like this. And I've talked very heavily about wanting to be on top of my health, and Danny and I have both been drinking this. This is their peach flavor, and this is fantastic. 1 scoop gives you antioxidants, enzymes, and green balance, alkalizing, and fiber blend. So this also helps to keep you regular, which is really good for someone like me because I am currently on trizepatide. I take Zepbound, and it does slow down your digestion. And so making sure you're staying regular is really important. So taking a green supplement is really going to help. I can even give this to my kiddos. My son, Griffin, he also plays football, and he is really into his health right now, wanting to make sure that he is on top of his game, and these taste good. The kids can even use them. It's a daily dose of your vitamins from vegetables and fruits, which is perfect, especially if you're like me, and I just physically cannot eat enough food to get in what I need. So having a supplement like this is so important. And the best part about it is it has 2 times the nutrients and half the cost of the leading competitor. So I gotta love that because your girl is on a budget. So that is also very, very helpful. I end my day with the greens. So I will drink this usually right before I eat dinner. I try to do it before I eat so that I don't fill up and don't want to have it because I do fill up easily. So I will drink this before I eat dinner, usually like as I'm cooking. And then I finish my evening off with, like I said, a magnesium supplement. And this has been helping out so much. If you're interested in trying any of these supplements, the Burn, the Greens, or any of their other supplements on their website, you can check them out and use my code Tiffany20 for 20% off anything on their website. And if you're like me and you're on a health journey and you're trying to move your body and you're finding it hard to be motivated all the time, that Burn will really, really help get you moving. So thank you, Motivate, for partnering with me in today's video. Now let's talk about what the rest of my breakfast looks like. As I already mentioned, it's hard to eat sometimes on my shot, especially when it's earlier in the week. Shot day for me is Sunday. So I'll do my shot on Sunday mornings, and usually by Sunday late afternoon, I am, really feeling it. I'm tired, and I don't have an appetite. And then the first 2 days of the week, I really struggle to eat, which is why it's really important that I have these supplements because it's hard for me to get in enough nutrients just by food alone. And one of the ways that I've found that helps me is by having a shake in the morning. When I first started this weight loss journey, I met with my nutritionist, and she said, always start building your meals with protein first and have protein be the most important part of your meal. And so my morning smoothie is a Premier Protein shake in chocolate flavored. I love these. They're so good. My friend Ann used to use them for her morning coffee, those in the vanilla ones. And so I put about a cup or so of ice and then 1 whole Premier Protein, and then I will put 1 whole banana, but you can use half if you want to cut the calories a little bit. And then I use about 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. And again, you can cut that down if you want to lower the calories. One thing that somebody suggested to me before was using powdered peanut butter. I have not tried that yet, but I would like to try that. So I think I'm gonna get some of that next. I blend that up, put it into my cup, and I take that on the go, and that will last me, I'm a sipper, that'll last me like a good hour, hour and a half in the morning. And depending on how I'm feeling that day, I might add an extra scoop of collagen peptide, which is some more protein. So that whole thing together, let me grab my phone and look at my FitnessPal so I can tell you what the calories are. I've talked in my previous videos that I use my FitnessPal to keep track of all of my calories throughout the day. And that's where I, make sure that I'm staying within my calorie count and what it is that I need. So I have a lot of things saved in here. So I have it saved as a breakfast smoothie. And when I have, it says here, 1 serving. So 1 serving for me, usually I'll do 2 of these so that I have some and my husband has some. So we end up he ends up with more. I end up with more like 3/4 of it, and he ends up with 1 1/4. That's just kind of how we roll and how it works for us. But usually the 1 serving for me is roughly 385 to 400 calories. I'm not super duper strict about weighing anything. So if you wanted to, you could, but I would just say roughly 400 calories. And then my burn in the morning is 0 calories. So I'm not getting any calorie from the coffee, which is excellent. And that is how I start my day. And usually I'm great, that's good. And usually I am not hungry until maybe around 10 a.m. And at that point I will have a cheese stick. So like a string cheese, and those are 80 calories. I'm just pulling up my snacks here. String cheese, part skim, 1 stick is 84 calories. And so that puts me at roughly 469 calories. And, that's not even, I'm not even at lunch yet. And I try to aim for roughly about 500 calories a meal and stick around that. So for lunch lately, I have been obsessed with this chicken salad recipe. I saw it on Instagram. I kind of made it my own version, but it is to die for. And I put it into MyFitnessPal. You can put in your recipe and it'll give you what your calories are. So the recipe calls for about 2 to 2.5 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken, or just shredded chicken. I just buy the shredded rotisserie chicken from Walmart. Then you add about 1/2 cup of diced celery, about 1/4 cup of diced dried cranberries like craisins, 1 diced small Honeycrisp apple. I do leave the skin on so I get that extra fiber. And then the recipe calls for candied pecans or just regular pecans. I don't put any nut in it. I just leave it just the way it is. I don't bring nuts to school most of the time because I'm afraid, because we have allergies. Oh, the automatic dog feeder is going off for the cat. And then you create a dressing for it. The dressing that I do, I think it's just a little bit different than the regular one in the recipe. I do 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons or so of maple syrup, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You just kind of, mix that together until you get a nice emulsion. And then salt, pepper, I believe it's a little bit of garlic powder, and some dried mustard powder, and just blend that together until it's nice and smooth. Oh, and apple cider vinegar. I think it's 1 tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar, just whatever is to your taste, and mix that together in your chicken. And I would do it the night before so that it's nice and marinated for the next day. It is so good, such a nice fall chicken salad. And I will pack that with I probably would say I pack about 1/2 cup of that or so. That recipe, I would say I get anywhere from 6 to 8 servings out of. I really don't eat a ton of it. So I'd say about 1/2 cup. And then I eat it with 1 serving of Wheat Thins, which are 16 crackers. And that ends up being 140 calories for the Wheat Thins, but you could do the reduced fat Wheat Thins. The chicken salad itself for 1 serving is roughly around 265 calories, roughly. And then I also eat it with some sliced Cabot Vermont white sharp cheddar cheese, and I'd say about 1 ounce or so of that, which is about another 100 to 110 calories. And then I usually will eat about 1 cup or so of grapes, which is somewhere around 50 calories. And that is my lunch. Sometimes I'll have it with a fresh, crisp Diet Coke. Sometimes I just have it with my water, which is what I did today. And it was so good. And it kind of feels like a little charcuterie board. I just snack on it when I can. I eat on the run, so I'll eat a couple chips or crackers, then I go. Then I come back and eat a couple crackers. Like, I never just sit and eat a meal at work. It just isn't possible. And this is so good. I would highly recommend that you give it a try. So between breakfast and snack and lunch, we're at 1,062 calories, which is really nothing. And here we are at the end of the day, and all the walking that I've done today at work has given me roughly about 40 extra calories, but I have not exercised yet. So when I exercise, that'll give me about another 250 calories that I probably won't eat tonight. I'm really not hungry, but we are going to make a super delicious dinner. I'm going to make the lettuce wraps that I have shown you guys on my channel before. And these are just an Asian style lettuce wrap that are so good, like so good. And they're roughly anywhere from 500 to 600 calories, depending on how many of them you eat, how much meat you put in them. I will link the recipe for you down below, so that way you can figure it out on your own if you want to be super, super diligent. But I really am not super crazy diligent, but that puts me at roughly 1,650 calories for the day, and that leaves me a little bit of wiggle room. So if I would like to have a little treat tonight, I can, and I probably will have myself a miniature Reese's cup because it's Halloween tomorrow, and that sounds delicious. So I think that's what I'll do. Sorry for that. So that's what my day looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and make dinner. I'm not going to, go too detailed into this recipe. I've shown this on my channel before, but I'll link it for you down below. The biggest thing, you guys, that I would stress is download the MyFitnessPal app. I've talked about this already. Figure out how many calories you need to be eating in a day and try to stick to that. When you use the MyFitnessPal, it's going to ask you how many calories you want or how quickly you want to lose weight. And then it's going to calculate your calories for you, and that already includes a calorie deficit. So don't worry about needing to remove calories from that, because that will already be on there and it will already be included. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can reach out to me directly through here on YouTube. I do read every single comment. I just don't always get a chance to get back to all of them because life is just really, really busy right now. Full-time work. I have a full-time job, and then I do this on the side, so it gets a little bit busy. But you can also reach out to me through DM on Instagram at Charlotte Grove Farmhouse. I'm happy to answer questions there too. And you guys are welcome to talk to each other as well. Make sure you check out Motivate, MOTIV 8, and check out their products if you're interested in trying any of them. They do have sample packs, but you can also use that 20% discount code at Tiffany20, and let me know if you try any of them. I really love the burn, like really love the burn. And yeah, so that is going to bring us to the end, you guys. Stay tuned for a future weight loss update. As we get closer to later on in November, I'll give you another update of how I'm doing. I'm about to bump up in my shot. So I'm currently at 7.5 milligrams, but I just filled my prescription yesterday for 10 milligrams. So I have one more 7.5 milligram shot, and then we're gonna go up to 10 milligrams. Hopefully my body can tolerate it. I've been doing great. I've had no side effects, and I've been feeling really, really good. So hopefully that trend continues, and I'll keep you guys posted on how that's going. Thank you for all of your incredible support. You guys have been phenomenal. I'm trying so hard just to be super transparent in my journey, and hopefully it helps someone out there. And you guys help me every single day with all of your kind words. You're so motivating, and it just helps me feel really, really supported, and I can't thank you enough for that. It's not what I expected starting this channel, but it's been a really positive bonus feature. So thank you guys. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.